Okay, well, I'll go first. I am Tracy. I'm a current graduate student here at Radford University and the Data and Information Management graduate program.
I am Amanda. I am currently in the Accelerated Master's program, and I'm currently a senior. But this fall, I will also be in the same program that Tracy will be in.
We are going to talk with you today just a little bit about data cleaning.
And how fun it is.
So, Amanda, why do you think we even want to clean data?
Well, if we don't clean data, then you can't really do anything with it. It's not really going to be helpful to either the business or yourself to actually make decisions. If you do clean data, it'll give you a better, first of all, it'll give you better results when you actually want to find something out about your data. And compared to not cleaning it would be, again, not very good results.
Yep. I agree.
So let me ask you a question. What does it mean for data to be clean?
Okay, well, in the definition format, clean data is valid and accurate and it's consistent. So all of your records have the same format and it's complete. So we really don't like incomplete data, meaning that we are missing data. And then data is also uniform, which we can make comparisons in a sense. It's all consistent. Oh, it's my turn. Amanda, what is your first step in cleaning data?
The first step would be recognizing the problems within the data. If you don't recognize the problems first, you won't be able to solve the problems to actually achieve getting what you said earlier, like validity, accuracy, consistency, completeness, and uniform data. So. Okay. And my final question to you, how do you know when your data is clean?
Well, when there's no more problems. So it's a long process, in my opinion. It's a lot of checking and rechecking. Once you fix one thing, there's normally something else you can find. So when you stop finding things that are wrong and will cause problems, then normally your data will be clean.
Looks spotless.